German Shepherds and Siberian Huskies are among the most popular dog breeds. Even though they look about the same, there are important differences between them. Who makes best pets? Who makes best companion? And which one is the best for what family? We thought it would be interesting to take a closer look at these two dogs and see how they stack up next to one another in this video of Doggery, German Shepherd versus Siberian Husky. The German Shepherd and Husky are both working breeds, but they come from two very different backgrounds. The German Shepherd hails from Germany, where he was originally bred as a herding dog. It took 35 years to refine the German Shepherd breed. Today, he works as a police dog, military dog, search and rescue dog, and service dog, amongst many other canine professions. The Siberian Husky, on the other hand, was refined in Siberia. There, he earned his keep as an all-around sled and companion dog for the roaming Chukchi people, bred to pull loads for extended distances in frigid temperatures. The Husky played a vital role in the survival of his original creators. Appearance. Both the German Shepherd and the Husky are handsome dogs, and both of them have distinct looks that set them apart. The German Shepherd is the larger of the two breeds, standing 22 to 26 inches tall and weighing between 50 and 90 pounds. But the Siberian Husky isn't far behind. They stand approximately 20 to 23.5 inches tall and weigh between 35 and 50 pounds. Looks. The German Shepherd has a lean and muscular build with keen eyes and erect ears. Their fur comes in 6 colors. The Husky is more compact than the German Shepherd, with a more proportionately shaped body. They have erect ears, a long tail, and expressive eyes that are either blue, brown, or one of each. The Husky's coat comes in 13 color varieties. General health. When comparing the health of these two breeds, it looks like the Husky is the healthiest. With a lifespan of 12 to 14 years, the Husky is most prone to eye issues like cataracts, hip dysplasia. The German Shepherd has a shorter lifespan than the Husky, living only 9 to 13 years. He is also prone to more health issues. Kid-friendly. Huskies make great family pets and are good with children. They are also good in a multi-dog households. If raised with other animals as a puppy, Huskies can live in a multi-pet household too. Originally, due to their wild roots, Huskies had a strong prey drive towards smaller animals like squirrels, rabbits, and cats. But if raised with small animals, they will be fine with pets of all sizes. German Shepherds also make good family dogs, but will benefit from plenty of exposure to young children, particularly as puppies. They're great with children in their family and can be both gentle and protective. Some calling the breed a cross between a babysitter and a police officer. They are large dogs, though, so they have the potential to overpower or knock over small children. German Shepherds can live with other animals, but best to integrate them into a multi-pet household at a puppy stage. General care. Keeping your German Shepherd or Husky groomed will also help maintain his overall health. Luckily, both the German Shepherd and the Husky are naturally clean dogs. Brush them with a suitable brush once or twice a week and give them an occasional bath. You will also want to keep their nails trimmed and their ears and teeth clean to keep infection at bay. Training. The Husky is an independent thinker. He tends to only follow commands which he sees the benefit in, so he demands patience when it comes to training. The German Shepherd, on the other hand, highly enjoys learning new things and will actually thrive when given jobs to do. Exercise. Both the Husky and the German Shepherd are active breeds who need lots of exercise and mental stimulation to stay healthy and happy. The Husky is a bit more energetic than the German Shepherd. He may require more time and maintenance when it comes to an exercise routine. Temperament. The German Shepherd is more of a serious pup who is always on guarding duty. He will protect his family to the very end, and he is very suspicious and aloof with anyone outside of the family unit. This is the very reason why he makes such a great guard dog. He is very affectionate with his family, but particularly to his main caregiver, or the one who he considers to be his master, and as such, he is said to be a one-man dog. This is totally different from the Husky, who is a sociable pooch who loves every family member equally, as well as any stranger or passerby. For this reason, he does not make the best of guard dogs, as he would invite would-be intruders in with open arms. The Husky rarely assumes the family protector role and would much rather be involved in family activities and be the mischievous family member who is constantly the center of attraction. So we think if you're an energetic family with young children, the Husky might be more suitable. On the other hand, if you are interested in an intelligent dog who is eager to please and can help out around the house, then the German Shepherd is for you.